Listen, toro kari mabanga ibanga asindochekesa. Atori munhu kachezvako. Lili, ndichororo banga. Saka uri kurwadzwa ndingotora banga apo ndekundani. Iwe pangocheka mavhejeri zingosiruzwa kuti mavhejeri achekwa nebanga. Matete. Mukomana ka. Mana ita sih? Jemai kikau. Jemai kaita sih. Lalu dah tu sikit dah baru kita. No. Asal mukomana ka? No. Kete.
Madam.
What's up?
Uko ncheka murio. Pepo ito ngurutima ne demo. Anyways, good morning. Did I tell you that I love you?
Baby, I can't talk to you safe in us.
That's because I mean it. I love you. Good day.
Good day. I love you too.
Oh, she's glowing. Is it a boy?
Chiko name na guys. Is it a boy we kuita seko? Dakura mtuko kugulo.
Definitely a boy. Yeah.
Come na cheta ndambo chitaura ini. Baby mira akondipeleke.
Like a boy I tell you.
Imi, just unofunga ishusho ndikakumise. Mafunga piko nayachira. Ndani dzimwe shamwari saka ndikuende kunowaona. Chipisa uda. My time. These are my new friends. Urugenda. Mbako iwe ndo tukwendeka nambako kunowaona wana. Come back mune some girl stuff my time. Andi makandisetu mukazi unofana kufamba uri ready. Tomorrow my time ndodzoka manje masitwa. I won't take time. Asilili, you have to get back panapa before 6. Remember muno chikadzi zviuno wakashata kuti ufambe manheru. Maitanya, unotaurisa ndodzoka ndakuenda. Andunoona kababatani. Kana ndakuzomurambidza ndiri kubuda panapa. Izvo zvichasainguva. Hasati auya pano. What if something happens to you? Apa asikudaira futi phone ipapo.
Anouya kan my time. Don't worry. You made the fridge cooler, chiller. Anouya, I'm sure she's fine. Nothing will happen to her. Wanna feel him?
Asikira siku pamanta sakudala samsati mambona munhu.
Wamitowaziwa. Asatiziwa noketa sema. Muri kubva upi ngoti not?
Ndenda kakumba kwa friends angu. Kumba kwa friends ako kwa unoya this time. Ndakuudza pawabuda kuti 6 o'clock ndifana uchaiwa hapa napa. You know what? You are grounded. 1 week urimba haubuda kana pa gate chaipa. Vomere papa my time. Aundudze mashokadara kana mama sandudza zvakadaro. Usandiudze zvokuti anzi mama wako andikudze kana mama sandudza mukudaro. Rukara neni, my house, my rules. And I think your rules are too harsh. Dine my rights as well. One of the rights, right to freedom, right to privacy. Ndisindite zvainoda, it's my life. All right. Ndazvinzwa. Babatanya ndipe band. Ndakukurova. Kana ndakurova uende kunoudza vanhu vaunoda. Wazvinzwa? First, you are abusing your rights. Second, my rights ako hauitire mba mangu. Unoitira kunzoko. You are grounded. 1 week usingabude panapa. Wazvinzwa? Usingaende kana pa next door chaipa. Hapana kuri kuenda svika 1 week rapera. Babatanya ndati ndipe band.
Man, just apologize.
Handisi kuda apology yake. 1 week asingabude kana kuenda pa next door chaipa ndinoda kukuona. Wazvinzwa? Ngabuda aende kunorara uko. 1 week usingabude panapa. Get out of my sight. Shoko wegresho. Urikuti ndati zvako wega. As long as you are living pamba pangu nandituka but zvandataura ndo zvaunoita.
Man, you worry too much.
Babatanya. Mama wangu wachiziva kuti she's under my custody. Wazvinzwa? If something happens to you, ndini responsible.
But sometimes you go overprotective because no one's among my problems about it. Listen, and it's good to be protective, but don't be overprotective. Okay, Arukura, we've all been through that stage. You just have to give it time and space, okay?
But Tanya, she's been going through a lot of stuff. And I don't want, and this could out, I take go back there again.
Okay. Put and freeze it at your service. Like, which one? Red. Ah, she loves red. That's good. Here we go.
Thank you.
Okay. Ah, cheese. Cheese. Okay. Are you okay?
Gon, have you ever been in love? Trust me, the feeling is so good. I mean, I could have the feeling forever.
Nothing lasts forever, Bevel.
I know, but it's not about that. I mean, what matters is now. I want to have this feeling like forever. You make me feel alive.
I don't like making empty promises. Saka, let's just live in the moment, okay? To be honest, I am happy. And even if you lose me, I say it's better to have loved and lost than to have never loved at all, right?
Then just be my first and my last.
Freeze it, you have to defreeze. I could wait and hard, but I'm not going to wear a business and I'm put in a freeze it.
Okay, let's play a little game. Or a race rather. Chejama puta aninga tanga upeza ya win. I bet you my heart. But don't play with it.
I know, but lose.
Love you.
Good.
Jeez, you're so cold.
Of course, I'm holding a freeze. Of course, I'm cold. This is good.
Don't comment.
Yeah, I'm going to I feel like I'm on top of the world. Sure. Hands go watch number.
Hands go pizza. Second so long go out in.
Go watch pizza. Ini phone ko ndo mega. Come zandi.
Hello.
Segera. Good.
No, what I will.
Okay. This is one. What do you mean you miss me already? Man, the vocal here. That is hungry. That did it. Going somewhere? Are we? Sorry, I'll call you back.
Hi, Banku.
Hi. Twende piko takapeka zvakadai.
Mamkuru, munofunga kuti ndinakidze ndoswera ndakagara panapa pasina zvandiri kuita. Yetova slavery kaya muri kuita. Zvasiyana nekuti ndiri mujeri.
Come on, you guys, I also need my freedom.
Man, you know what's happened to you? Remember, I know you're more than Zoro. I know his name Soro. But what's happening to you? You give people advice, a good advice, so that they may walk in light. But somehow, you fall into darkness. What's up?
Hi. Lilian! Lily? Lily, what? Lilian! Lily!
Bamkuru, you guys are pushing me too hard. I mean, what's wrong with me living my life? Doing what I want? Jamunu mukuru bamkuru. Let us see another time. Stop treating me like I'm a child. Dakura bamkuru. I want to live my own life, making my own decisions. Alright, I will sit my life when I live by your rules.
But the end result was disaster. It was the same.
Bamkuru. Stop comparing me with other people, Majudwa. We're totally different.
This is Rogata.
Down box for getting back map. Mukunu adoro mbegi momo. Uno you are kunditira pamba panapo. Yeah? Wa down to temesa samsoro inini unu pamba pangwa awite. Wa kudzokera kumusha. Ombono basana na mama kurimi. Ozo yakunokana vakuziya zvaunenge uchita.
Mimi ndimuchapeka mabege enu. Mobva pano moenda kumusha kwa Mutaro. Inini pano handibvi.
Lily, inini panapa I'm not going to stay with someone and not afford panapa. That's unacceptable. Ino mwana yakutondipa stress ini. Ndikutosheta hunhu uri kuitwa na Lily mazono. Ari kunyatsokutora kupi? Lily mwana akanaka izvi zvakuita izvi. Surrender.
I think it's a friend. Someone dzake dzandaona apa. Ndakamboona, I think kubawa kubasa uko. Ndo wandinge ndakaona. You know what they say? Show me your friends and I'll tell you who you are. Bad company can always and will always corrupt a good heart.
Kubawa babatanya.
Bawa.
Ngazvakaoma. So I think the best way to handle this situation is just to cut ties between Lily and my friends.
Yeah. But don't stress my time. So you don't worry too much. I know Lily, she will make the right choice. She's a bright young lady. Okay? Come here. It's okay, don't stress.
My name, I'm free-spirited bunch.
Bamkuru.
My name.
Mama tondiwenga zvekuda zvekuti mabva pano musina kundiona.
My name ndikakuengere, handikukuengere. Ngoti kumanya kubasa chetu ndanonoka.
Saka mumaika ndikuperekedzeka. We still abiding the rules. Fana. Hausi kubuda gate. Wanuka kusatira pera.
Ukapare.
Vanhu ivo vatonditembwa emunhu. Kusungirwa ungimbwa chaiko. Nena wanifanya.
Makazoteerera ngirini advice yangu.
Munhu angakutonesa pano. Yui.
Vana vadiki ndizvo vari.
Kuda kutoti inini naye tinotorora muzvibhedhlera netinabasa ndikati asi mimi baba mkuru mamchibononoka nembondodza. Kutange munhu womukadzi asingapedze kubata-bata.
Maiguru, musatanga ndiwanzira sambasa.
Bvai.
Pane zvona ndichitobata-bata zvangu.
Totakahunuka vakadzi chaiko.
Maine. Dzokereka kumba. Kuri kupisa kunzo.
Asi mukamhanya padenga ipapa pamumbomushaya.
Ayo, handimbomushaya.
Mukango nhasi aenda netsoka.
Oh.
Mukangokwira pamusoro apa ndofunga mutombo.
Alright. Tidzokere makanyanya kutsukisa munozosauka.
Pamukuru.
Dzokere. Right, my name.
Ndiri right, zvamuri sei?
Right, muri right.
Ndafonera kana maitanya. He says pane zviriitika naLily. Is everything okay?
I'm sure everything is okay. But ende unowana vari komba.
Oh.
Yeah.
Asarega ndovaona. Have a good day.
Okay, you too. But makachena nhasi my name.
Hi, Lily.
My mind.
Kuvorova kudaro. Ndachitaura pafoni wati.
Chiso chinorodza chimwe chiso.
Okay, fine.
Maitanya. Befa loud.
Maitanya.
Dance vanotara ziyati.
Mbaita ndokuti mukadzi.
Ndikatsvaira this side. Nhasi mangwana ndotsvaira wangu. Panozopera wiki inenge yapera. Lily mbondipa kangwana Befa. Kambotaura neshamwari yako.
Kungotorera ndiri.
Ndikumaona masikati but I'm moving.
Chishukiti. And by the way, ndasangana nababa Tanya. He's a really lovely man.
Ndawenda kudedzera panamba Beverly ndili. Hamena umwe unhu ari kungoita so, unhu unenge wemhuka. Tutoshati wabva kupi unhu ari kungoita panapa.
Noziva, it doesn't surprise me. Ndaitoshaya kuti shaitika rini. It's adolescence. Vakomana nevasikana vese they go through that stage of puberty. So ndokwashiri kubva ikoko.
Uri kuti ikweyo?
My time. I mean, Lily is a teenager. She goes through zvinhu zvakawanda at this stage, even my hormonal imbalance. And angonoita kunge tuma mood swing, unge kakujairira, but ndo zvinoitika during that time. It's puberty. Angodongo experience neko explore twangowanda.
Kana uchiti kuexperimenta unenge uchiti chi because inini of course I went through that stage but ndandisina munhu aindiudza kuti chii chinenge chinyatsoitika.
What I mean, my time, like, can do by exam. Being a teenager, shakafanana ni mwana chai, mwana udiki. Mwana udiki makamona akona pata na mashisha anonga aisamka. Chese chawana nyangwe sika chikiwana samka. Just need a teenage. Want to experience that wonder, you know, they want to experience love, dreams, drugs, intercourse, siyana. And those Lily. At this stage manjeka ndo panova kwa life kana kui destroy. So you have to protect Lily, but protecting her doesn't mean magumi some cage. Because mahanyanyombatirira futi achatanga oita zvamukurambidza izvozvo. So you have to mind ipapo.
Ko ndikangogara ndamurambidza kuenda kune dzimwe nzvimbo.
Do you think she'll believe you? No, she won't believe you. What you can just do, like I said, zvakafanana newana. Kana uchityira kuti mwana anodonha chiro kuti wakumurambidza kufamba, ani ndizvo. Unomusiya kamwana achifamba but unogarawo nechemudhuze kuti akadonha unomusimudza. So just watch out for Lily. Mogara padhuze naye kuti asadone. Make sure that my friends are good. Then that's it.
That's why you are there, Kabefan. You know, as her friend, anogona kunge achilimita zvimwe zvinhu unoziya haazotudze zvinhu zvese isusu because pane zvimwe zvaanenge achiita but of course kana uriwe anogona kukuudza zvese. Saka just be there for her uchimuumba nekumuratidza pakanaka pekufamba napo. Pamwe nzira yake inenge unemupa nzira yekuti afambe nepakanaka.
Alright, mate, and keep her safe.
Zvakaoma. Anyway, how's your boyfriend?
Very boy. You know, he's a really sweet guy. And ndakazomudza kuti I love him.
The party.
Like, I know but I love you too, but he said, Kuti, if I break his heart, you kill himself, then you kill me too.
But I think he loves you so much. You know, Varuma Vaka, Babatanga, it took him 2 good years. kuti azondiudza nemuromo wake kuti I love you. But ndaingozviona muma-actions ake chete.
Asa vamwe ndozvikuitika izvozvo right, but chinondinetsa chinhu. I can feel it that he is a good guy, but I don't know much about him. Ndozvondinetsa izvozvo.
You know, kana uchida kuona kuti mukomana wako ari kukuda here befana. Imbomubvunza kuti baby, when can I meet your relatives?
Yeah, that sounds like a plan. Alright, Nchamunza, thank you my time.
It's okay. Handi munonana neshamwari yenyu ndikatosvika kazvimba. Ndambomurambidza kuperekedza bamukuru vake apa. I've tried kumuudza Lily, ndikamuratidzawo other people out there who've made mistakes, but it seems she doesn't want to listen.
I think we should let her be. Let him say, let her make her own mistakes and learn from them. To be honest, you were in mama baba, but in truth, that was just theory, right? Let's see how she does. Can I have practical? Tangwan batira.
But I didn't know so.
You were. But
oh, what pay that one?
How was that one year?
She shouldn't give it out.
No, what's the about that?
We should not be shy.
You know, Tapira, when you do it will not work.
So, what about our Jadum man?
Governor, in any man. Sharing the table, but
I reckon I love Nina Tombo. Ah,
eh,
I love you.
I love you.
Me and don't know what say.
My time. 1, 2, 3. And I would appear permanent. You know what?
Papa now.
I can do it. I don't know. Kiss a foot.
I don't teach much. I'm just serious. I don't teach you much. I mean, I'm not going to get. Why don't you get Santa Pena? Sakati mbori pano. Asi na imaitanya mwenda mzine kwenda kuchechi kwese. We kana muri kufunga ndikukunye pendera ne friends angu, mne ma friends akana muri worried. Ivo ma friends ako vanogara chingoti ma friends ako vatsanda mbona ma friends erudzi. Ngavauye panapa ndovaona. Tobva taenda tese kuchechi. Kuenda kupi? Kuchechi? Ah, izvo zvazviti maitanya. Ah, saka pana kwauri kuenda? Sisonke.
I think the solution. And my name is Shaman phone. I'm going to Facebook live and YouTube. I'm login morning. I'm going to Baba.
I'm doing this. I'm see Baba wangu baby. Iwe, don't disrespect Baba wangu like that. Kana the advasipo, he's your father.
No. Let her talk. Free country, right?
Mimi guys, mudoti ndinyatso ita sei. Ndapenga ndichiterera pesa sei ayo izvi zvakunyanya izvi maitanya. Ah, izvo mudoti ndinyatso ita sei. I've been quiet for too long. So now it's high time I speak. Do you think mudoti ndinyatso ita sei?
Garibas. Come on, sit. I want to tell you something. The world is cruel, my name. It's never fair to anyone, old or young. Fine, mtemono tikana munasinga siza 18 years, aninga aiba akura. But you're still a child either way. Then andini mimika. Ndeta kuradzidziso yese yakanaka yandikapiwa. Nekuti kunzoko ndo yamunoda. Ndo yega ichakubatsira iyoyo. The world is full of monsters that want to eat you. Vamwe zvimwe zvacho zvinokuvaraidza nemavara seshaka. Izvo zvichida kukudya, but you won't see them coming. Hatisi kurambidza kuti yamunoda manini. Ita yamunoda. But remember kuti pa stage yamuri apa ndipo pakarasikira vakawanda. You make a choice right now. A bad choice, whether it is small or big, it will affect your entire life. You will live a life of regret. Regretting the chances that you took, regretting the chances you didn't take. Because at the end of the day, at the end of life, you all regret. And you have to know which chances to take and which chances not to take. Hatisi kukurambidzai rarama upenyu hwenyu maine. And makura and murukura, we can't stop you from going out anyway. Do what you want. But remember, pamba panapa, 1, no numbu. 2, no alcohol and drugs. 3, no chengetedza umandara wenyu.
And also, get drunk kunopindwa na 6 o'clock. Beverly is going to be your life coach. And you listen to her. I hope you are not going to mess your life up, Weka. Thank you, guys. I won't disappoint your friends.
Man, I hope we don't learn the hard way. It's okay. I think we'll run away the other way. She'll come around. Yeah. You need this.
Unozama sales ndakadzika this time. I think we need to do better because masales akadzika zvisikaita.
Alright. So what is that?
Yeah, nzara ndanaye. All right.
The seat is in is it?
All right.
So how would do that?
How do that?
I'm changing my price.
To pizza. Vanotengere doro tekari pizza.
Doro ke. Ndakanga bandi yes katoreka ndangotenga.
Yeah. Doro munhu angatoshaye angatotadzotenga nyama kubva kwake achitenga doro
Tenga doro.
All right.
Notenga lunch.
All right, no problem. Ndichanga ndiri muoffice.
Alright. I see you owe me. Ngautenga lunch you owe me.
All right, I owe you. See you soon. Hey, Lily.
I hope I'm not disturbing.
No, not at all. Kurisi kumtwasela.
Kumbobo, asiyana nayo.
Make you right. Ufana ngoita choice waona so. You learn 1 or 2 things from that.
Ndichawe.
Chawe.
Ndichawe.
Nah, wanga far is straight. Anyway, izonzanda kushedzera pana veshe.
Uncle, on that note, I just wanted to apologize for my behavior lately. The last time I got portrayed the wrong image about me. That's not me. I don't even know what came over me.
Lily, uchiri kufunga nezve? Ndakatozvikanganwa kare. Besides, this is not for me.
Yeah, but man.
Don't worry about that. Unoziva hapana panokushedzera zvisina basa. Andi.
Okay. Ndizvo zvega.
Ndizvo zvega.
Ndakuenda.
Umborese maini mangwani?
Ndinotomboresa mega.
Lily? Paunenge chocolate, I want you to remember one thing. In the world, there's a lot of different people. And these people, they have their own way of communicating with you.
Uncle, why don't you go to my reduce?
You will know very soon.
Uri mutauni nguva dzinodziva?
Ndakazosangana nasambata kwenda kwenda kuti.
Kasandosiya mari yechingwa.
Ndatindainga chingwa ere.
Chibva panapa enda kumba straight. Ndizvo ka?
Mamukuru, makutoita kunge murume wangu muchatondisaka GPS tracker.
Ndokwisa bheri. Dore. Ndipiro katapfunga ndiri.
Ewa.
Muzoti nebeef ndoranga. Yo, ndonokusiya pabhazi handi kumba straight.
Ini miendei kubasa.
Ndichakuisa bhero macho.
Mamukuru, ndoziva kuenda kumadege. guys, KHULEKANI NDLOVU here, aka Beverly. Okay, so today nangofunga ngugara pamshana panapa so that I tell you a bit more about the things we face as Zviri Mudzimba behind the scenes, things we don't show you on the camera. Okay, so first of all, in Marondra here, to different locations, and we have to travel a long distance kuenda kuma location and shishutira Zviri Mudzimba. And secondly, I know you all understand, to each person in life, we've been allocated a certain time, you know, lifespan. But in the time that we've dedicated time as Zviri Mudzimba, time from our studies, time from our families, time from some things we have to do out there, so that we come together, we act out things which people are facing in relationships, things which people are facing in marriages, so that we provide not just a solution, okay, let me say not a solution, but so that we provide inspiration to you in your relationships, in your marriages, so that we inspire you to solve your problems in a way which befits you, because we understand that we are all different. One solution might not be the same for everybody else. It might not work out for everybody else, but we try to provide inspiration to you. So my case is, we have at least 10,000 guaranteed views in 24 hours, and I was just thinking that if those 10,000 people just share with at least 5 other people, we would actually skyrocket to 50,000 views. And we really need your support on this, guys. We can't do this alone. We see your lovely comments, guys. Mkugona, well done, and thank you for that. Thank you so much. We appreciate. But we're also asking for help in sharing. As soon as my actors, we can't reach everybody in the world without you. We need you guys. Malawi, Mauritius, England, Poland. You told us our countries on the other live videos. We need your help, Murikoko, so that you share with other people. So guys, all we're asking is that pamukona my videos, my episodes, don't just keep it to yourself. Also share with other people out there. They might also get inspired to work out things in their relationships, in their marriages. And we can't just do it alone as Zviri Mudzimba, providing the entertainment, everything. We can't do it alone. We need you. You're part of the family. So please, after watching the video, please understand our position, understand where we stand, and share. We're not limiting you to 5 people. You can share with as many people as you want, according to how much you feel inside you that you really want to help us. But please do help us. We're really taking time, and we're working really hard to provide the kind of entertainment which you'd like, and provide some education, inspiration in the process. So please guys, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, comment, and share. Thank you so much.